noticed your skin so brown, and I wanna sleep with you in the desert tonight. Stars all around, 'cause I got a peaceful, easy feeling, and I know you won't let me down.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. We interrupt you with some breaking news. This morning, an old man kidnapped two young men. The suspect was seen fleeing in a blue Volvo SUV. He is likely...